What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix restarting randomly issue on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all check your storage space. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on device care and then click on storage. So if you have less than 4 GB of storage left, then you have to delete some files to free up some space. If your storage is running out, then your phone won't work properly. So to make sure phone is working properly, you have to free up some space. And after that, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is force restart your phone. So to force restart, press and hold the volume down key and power key for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds it will show a Samsung logo on the screen. So when you see a Samsung logo on the screen, release your fingers. And after force restarting, it will fix your restarting randomly issue. But after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then check for overheating. So if your phone is overheated, then it may cause some glitches in the software and it may restart automatically. So check if your phone is overheated, then turn off your phone to cool down, and after that you can use your phone normally. Now after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue of restarting randomly, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here in reset, scroll down and click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on a reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So tap on reset, and after resetting your phone settings, your phone will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.